Welcome. If you want to find your game history in Garena Free Fire Max, at the first we have to tap on the left upper corner, and then we have to go for the history right here on the left side. As you can see, here we got the modes that we have played, the results, kills, and also the time. So we play in this Battle Royale mode 2 hours ago, for example. You can also check here the survival time when you tap for each game. You can also go for the details, like the damage, kills, survive time. So yeah, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.